our mission is to make lives better for the Filipino. In more than 3 decades, the Philippine Council for Health Research and Development has invested in research and innovation, in people, in infrastructure, and in support systems to create an enabling environment for health research in the country, to generate innovations and solutions to our pressing health problems.
Created in 1982 as a sectoral council of the Department of Science and Technology, the PCHRD is mandated to coordinate all health research in the country. In 2013, the passage of Republic Act 10532, or the PNHRS law, further strengthened the PCHRD's leadership role in the Philippine National Health Research System as the national coordinating body for health research. The PCHRD has grown and expanded its services in the areas of agenda setting, research management, capacity building, research dissemination, translation and utilization, resource mobilization, and national and international collaborations. The Council, together with the Department of Health, the Commission on Higher Education, and the National Institutes of Health of UP Manila, sets the national agenda for health research. It does this by formulating the 6th-year National Unified Health Research Agenda, or NURA, which guides researchers who are seeking research funding. This national agenda-setting exercise was cited by the Council for Health Research and Development in Geneva as a model for low to middle-income countries in 2006. Within the NURA and the Harmonized National R&D Agenda, the Council supports collaborative research on drug discovery and development, omic technologies for health, functional foods, nutrition and food safety, dengue and other arboviruses, diagnostics, mental health, biomedical engineering and health technologies, information and communication technology for health, and disaster risk reduction and climate change adaptation for health. In other areas of the research agenda, the PCHRD teams up with the Department of Health in managing its health systems and policy research, and with the Philippine Health Insurance Corporation on healthcare financing. These partnerships augur well for the implementation of the Universal Health Care Act. The PCHRD promotes health research ethics as the country's commitment to the protection of the rights, welfare, and well-being of human participants in research. Together with the Philippine Health Research Ethics Board, or PHREB, the highest policy-making body for ethical issues in human health research, the Council aims to strengthen institutional ethics review boards from registration to accreditation. Generated from the funded projects of the Council were important healthcare policies, products, and services. Even before the passage of the Technology Transfer Law of 2009, the Council already undertook technology commercialization, which seeded the growth of medicinal plant products in the country. Lagundi for cough and Sambonga's treatment for kidney stones are now household names. The Council's support for a dengue diagnostic kit led to the creation of the first startup company out of the UP system. Now the award-winning biotech M-Aqua kit is available in the market with sensitivity and specificity comparable to the standard test, but at a much lower cost. The Council's experience in technology transfer show the importance of the private sector as a partner. In 2012, the PCHRD was the first council that invested in a joint research with the industry through the Orthopedic International Incorporated. This joint research led to the Access Knee System for arthritis, which is now used by orthopedic surgeons for patients needing knee replacement in the country, and soon in Asia. Built for Filipinos and other Asians, the Access knee system cost 40 to 50% lower than what's currently in the market. With health innovations in the pipeline, the Council is, at the same time, building the capacity of research institutions and researchers to make sure that research projects are technology and industry ready. Research for evidence-informed policy making is an equally important path for our research outputs. Our supported researches contributed to the development of the expanded program on immunization, the Newborn Screening Act, the National Health Insurance Act, the Philippine National Health Research System Act, the National Integrated Cancer Control Act, and the Universal Healthcare Act. The PCHRD established the country's first online databases and information services through its Health Research and Development Information Network platform of Unified Research Information Management Systems, or HERDIM+. It is the only national health research repository containing more than 60,000 records. This resource is linked with the Western Pacific Region Index Medicus and subsequently the Global Index Medicus. The expertise that the Council developed in online databases allowed it to come up with a clinical trials registry with the Food and Drug Administration and an online project management system. To ensure that the country has a cadre of researchers who will undertake needed researches, the PCHRD provides scholarships, research fellowships, and other assistance for capacity building. The PCHRD is also developing a new crop of clinical researchers through our MD-PhD program and Masters in Molecular Medicine. The pioneering MD-PhD program is the only degree program in the Philippines that combines the features of MD and PhD courses in one, offering a unique opportunity for some of the best and aspiring young Filipino scientists to train for careers dedicated to the advancement of health through biomedical research. The Council's research fellowship programs are opportunities for collaborative R&D and capacity building for Filipino researchers through partnerships with leading research institutions worldwide. There are also incentives for young researchers to go into research careers. Likewise, recognition is given to mentors who share their expertise with beginning researchers. Equity in development. This is what PCHRD had in mind from its inception. In 1984, the first regional research consortium was formed. To date, each of the 17 regions has a research consortium, including the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao Health Research and Development Consortium. The idea is to capacitate each region towards self-determination in health research, thus increasing the country's research pool and research productivity. One feature of the regional consortia is the Regional Research Fund. This is a strategy of the Council to encourage new researchers to be actively involved in health research activities without having to compete with more experienced researchers. RRF projects are intended to build the capabilities of researchers in designing, implementing, and managing health research projects.
This is very consistent with our goal or our program of expanding our R&D base, our R&D pool, particularly spreading it across the country so that these research institutions located in various parts of the country can take up the challenge of addressing the needs in the region and also taking advantage of the opportunities that are available in the region.
Technology transcends nation-state borders. The Council sees integration of economic blocks, such as our own ASEAN, as one economic community. Over the years, the Council has slowly built its partnerships with international organizations and programs. Among these are ASEAN Network for Drugs, Diagnostics, Vaccines, and Traditional Medicines Innovation, the Regional Platform for Collaborative R&D among the member states of ASEAN in collaboration with the World Health Organization TDR, the Special Program for Research and Training in Tropical Diseases, Newton Agham Program, E-Asia Joint Research Program, Southeast Asia-Europe Joint Funding Scheme for Research and Innovation, and ASEAN Science and Technology Innovation Fund. The Council also has partnerships with some of the world's leading research institutions, such as the United States National Institutes of Health, the London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine, Mayo Clinic, Harvard University, and Massachusetts General Hospital, among others. What sustains a health research system is communication. With this in mind, the Council maximizes the use of traditional and new media. Partnership is employed as a strategic approach. Partnership with media, partnership with the regional consortium's communication teams, and partnership with everyone who shares the Council's vision.
The DOST PCHRD is composed of professionals who are up to their game and know exactly what the country needs for the health sector.
Decades may have passed, but the PCHRD's mandate remains the same. PCHRD, making your life better.